to be understood. The fundamental point is this: it is in fact, it relates to the philosophy of obedience and philosophy of goodness, I should say. Hazrat Masih Maud said that nothing in itself is good or bad. It is only the obedience or submission to the will of Allah which makes something either good, or if you do not submit, it makes it bad. This is the philosophy of goodness. Otherwise, you cannot define goodness in any way without running into difficulties. Because if that be true, then if Allah permits you, then not to avail of that opportunity is not the true behavior or obedience which Allah expects of you. Hazrat Masih Maud made it clear that if you are kind to your children and permit them to do this and they do not, you will not like it. If you permit them out of condescension, out of courtesy or showing them a favor, and they say, no, we don't like it. Or you offer somebody something and he says, no, I don't want it. You will not be pleased. So, although you may not punish such a child, that is different. The true pleasure would lie in another direction, when the child accepts your offer with good grace and is grateful to you for that. So that is the behavior to Allah which is taught to us by Hazrat Masih Maud. So do not behave in any other manner. Don't ask questions. You cannot please Allah by force. And this message which Hazrat Masih Maud has given us has been learned by him from Huzur Akram sallallahu alayhi wa sallam himself. He made it manifestly clear to his companions that you cannot force Allah by doing goodnesses. However much hardship you exercise, Allah will not be pleased. This is the verdict of Huzur. Allah does not want you to be put to difficulties. Allah is pleased if you are put at ease. This is again Huzur Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's word. So all this Sharia is not to add difficulties to your life. It is to put you at ease. This is the philosophy. Now if Allah decides that this is the way to put you at ease, and you say no, we shall please you by going it the hard way, this is in fact a way of disobedience. So don't do that.
So we were born in Ahmadi family and we have been practicing up to now.
But now you have decided to deviate.
No, I'm not. When it came to light from the other person that there is a certain book written like that, I
tried to make you understand this point.
No, I'm clear.
No. What I'm talking about is a different thing. During the last session, when you mentioned this book.
This is another book.
All right. A book like it. Yes, of the same quality. I told you repeatedly, I said, these are unreliable books.
Yes, I know.
They quote no authority. They cannot quote an authority in tradition or the verses of the Holy Quran. So the best way to argue with your opponents is to ask for the foundation of that.
Yes, Azur, I did that this
morning. And they quoted this book?
No, Azur, when I discussed with him this morning, if you allow me to say while sitting there.
Please.
I asked him that whenever in our books, Nawaz or Tafsir, always we quote the reference.
Yes.
But in this book there is no reference, so this has got no base. So I argued with him. So he said, you take this book, and we have been, I read in other books also the same.
Why are you pursuing that question further then? You took the right stance. So what are you asking me about then? It should have been left at that. If somebody is guided and he does not wish to make you draw benefit from that guidance, how can you force it upon him? You should have left it at that.
No, I always...
And also don't waste your time on those small things. Discuss fundamentals.
He's working with me for a long period and I always go to find a way to tabligh for tabligh.
But there is no tabligh.
Just to...
discuss it. Don't waste your time on these things. Discuss the fundamentals with him. Once he accepts the fundamentals, then he will chuck these books away himself. The fundamental to discuss is whether Hazrat Masih Maud draws his authority from Allah or not, whether he is Imam Mahdi or not. If he is accepted by anyone to be the rightful Imam Mahdi, then he would never look twice on such a book on which you are looking.
These books are not guidance for us, we know that.
But what I am saying is guidance for you. You don't pay attention to this, that's the problem. I am telling you not to waste your time on these minor things when you preach in non-Ahmadi friends, because your time is precious. So you say this is useless. There are so many schools or jurisprudence in Islam, they go on fighting their battles between each other. What? We don't pay much value to these things. The fundamental, according to us, is whether the man who was to be appointed by Allah has arrived or not yet. Whether such a man has appeared or not. If that fundamental is solved, all these minor things would be meaningless. Alright, now it's time for Isha prayer, please. Now you follow me, I hope. I'm not angry with you, I'm just telling you repeatedly, this is the correct approach.
But Hazur, not for this one, I've got other things to ask.
Very interesting, you remind me of the Punjabi saying that pancha la kya sar khate to panala uthi rahe. Your bus, always come.
Not for this one. I'm asking your permission, Hazur, for regarding namaz, our point of view, I'm not taking their point of view, but can I ask some other questions regarding namaz?
Tomorrow you mean?
No, any other day.
After prayer. Already the time of prayer has been discussed. So naturally the only time left for the question is tomorrow, inshallah.
Tomorrow.
Yes. You're only right. In fact, you're most welcome. Tomorrow, inshallah.
I'd like to reserve space before I ask some questions.
Okay, but he has already made the reservation, unfortunately for you. No, he is a very welcome and very popular questioner. In fact, there is no question to his popularity. By far the most popular, perhaps after Chaudhry Muhammad Abdul Rashid.
But Hazur, annoying one to the congregation or anybody.
Who is annoying?
Annoying one.
Who is annoying?
My arguments.
No, not at all. They enjoy it, they're laughing, they're not crying. Thank you.